Killer Outdoors. It's almost that time of year. Almost time to sit back in the tree out here cutting shooting lanes, hanging new stands. Pulled up to one spot. Got the next generation out here. Of course, he don't know what I am, or she don't know what I am. Sitting there watching for about 10 minutes, feeding on it, whatever's on the edge of that field there. Well, we ain't got long, folks. We ain't got long. Get out, get your tree stands hung, shooting lanes cut. So come September, for y'all in Virginia, I believe the opening day is October the 1st. Come September, we can stay out the woods and let the deer get nice and comfortable. Watch the trail cameras from home and hopefully get on a big one. Good luck, everybody.